Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Ford Transit panel van. The vehicle is covered under manufacturer warranty, but it also includes roadside assistance by AA for the first year with a single call-out. You can extend both warranty and roadside here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes in the L3H2 configuration, is painted in glacier white and comes in the limited trim level. And it also been equipped with some additional extras like bike xenon headlights with directional headlamps. As part of the limited trim level, you also get color-coded front bumpers with integrated fog lights and parking sensors. 16 inches alloys with a 5-spoke split design, power fold and heated mirrors. And other additional extras fitted onto this specific exemplar are a rear view camera with a courtesy light right on top of the barn-style opening doors. And you also have a secondary camera for the smart view mirror, which is fitted at the center of the door. And as part of the trim, you get rear parking sensors. The cargo area has been fully ply-lined and is also equipped with LED lighting fixtures over the roof and a full metal bulkhead. As I mentioned before, there is a courtesy light over the roof with the control button just on the right-hand side door. At the back, you have a width of 138 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 181 centimeters of height at the lowest point of the roof, being one of the center bars, and you have a fully extensive 338 centimeter of fully usable floor length. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with all 3 seats finished in graphite gray fabric. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and independent and comes with an armrest, while the middle seat from the passenger bench has a foldable tray table with cup holder and clip holder. The dashboard keeps the same design as the classic Ford Transit, but is now dominated and enriched by the new Ford Sync 4 infotainment system. And as part of the limited trim level, you get an adjustable leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which houses the settings for the cruise control with intelligent speed limiter. You also have the lane keeping assist control over the left-hand side stalk, and controls for the infotainment over the right-hand side. Just on the right-hand side of the driver, you also get a dial for the headlights with the automatic headlights, which also feature automatic high beam, as I mentioned before, they're directional headlamps, and the control for the power fold mirrors. The new Ford Sync 4 is basically the command center of the vehicle. From here you have access to the DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through Bluetooth or USB Type-C and A. And also the air conditioning is controlled straight from the touchscreen with climate control access, quick clear windshield control, and the heated mirrors as well. Through the hardware button underneath, you also have quick access to the driving modes, and in this specific configuration you get normal, eco and slippery road, a toggle to turn off the screen, and also one to quickly access the parking sensors. As part of the technology and security pack, you get pre-collision assist with automatic braking, lane keeping assist, driver alert warning, and the hill start assist. And the vehicle is also being fitted with a smart view rear digital mirror, which is fully adjustable through these commands over the screen and can be quickly turned off to just access a regular mirror. This vehicle comes with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.